cooking with Klein Karoo ostrich fillet. It comes in two formats in retail, that of the 400-gram whole fillet, as well as 4 fillet medallions, which are 125 grams each, which makes up a 500-gram pack. It's an incredibly versatile product, really fantastic to use for any special occasion or any dinner night function. You can cook it with any kind of great ingredients such as mushrooms, red wine, cream sauce, even just sauteed with some beautiful green veg. When cooking ostrich fillet, there are only very few things that you need to remember. And one is that you need to use the hottest possible cooking surface you can. So if you're using a pan, make sure that it's as hot as you can get it. And if you're frying it, make sure that those coals are also really hot. In keeping with nice healthy cooking standards, all I'm going to do is simply put a little bit of olive oil into my pan, heat it up nicely, and seal my meat on both sides. Then turning it occasionally and cooking it through to medium rare. It's really important that you don't overcook ostrich meat because it can become tough. A good gauge of how well your meat is cooked is by feeling it. So if I give it a little prod, both are still very, very soft, but basically I just push the inside of my hand and that gives me a great gauge to how well done the meat is. The further down I push, the more well done it is, and the higher up, the softer it is, the less done it is. So that's a really, really good gauge for ostrich meat. Once your meat is at a medium rare, we're going to take it out and place it on a board to rest. Using a very sharp knife, we're going to just slice the meat against the grain. You'll notice the beautiful pink color in these slices. That's exactly what you're looking for. Now it's as simple as adding a little bit of salt and pepper and whatever other seasoning and flavor you would like to add. There you have it, it's as simple as that. Although there are many ways in which to serve your beautiful ostrich fillet, one of my personal favorites is definitely the dish I'm about to do. That is my seared ostrich fillet served with creamy polenta and sauteed mushrooms. I like to use exactly the same pan as I seared the ostrich in to make my mushrooms because you get all those great flavors in the bottom of the pan. Once it's nice and hot, you're going to add your mushroom. Little bit of seasoning. Okay. Have a tiny bit of red wine vinegar. A little bit of sliced garlic. A little bit of butter just for flavor. So adding peas is going to add a beautiful color as well as great nutrient value. It's also going to work very, very well with the ostrich fillet. Reach over and we're going to be serving this dish with a little bit of soft polenta, with a little bit of cream cheese in it. A great start to serve your ostrich fillet with. Chop a little bit of parsley. To start off with, I'm going to take some creamy polenta, place it onto my plate. All these gorgeous flavors work so well with ostrich fillet. And you can see that the beautiful colors and textures on the plate really speak for themselves. And then our gorgeous ostrich fillet, which we just simply sealed in a pan, seasoned beautifully, cooked to medium rare, placed on top of our vegetables. Now it's as simple as a quick squeeze of lemon, and I'm serving this with a little teriyaki sauce. And that's as simple as it is. Ostrich fillet in minutes. Healthy for you, good for you, and absolutely delicious.